Cutting those huck bolts off to remove this plate because I don't need this plate anymore. Got all of them out except one, and that one is a temporary brace for this temporary fender. So that'll have to get cut off to lift this plate out of here, and then I'll have to put another bolt back through there. This is what they look like. I'm cutting through there. There's a collar on these. You can see that collar, and when I cut through the bolt pushes through the head, through the hole, and this is the collar, and the tail falls out onto the ground too.